Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 111. So remember, this week we are not meeting together as a class like usual. I'm going to be in Chicago presenting my research, and you're going to be engaged in peer review. Peer review is one of the most effective tools in moving our writing forward. Research shows that again and again. A peer audience is the most effective tool in showing you the places that you need to modify your writing. So take advantage of this, and remember that you're going to be meeting with the group that you met with last week. I have included the groups here again in the assignment. You can meet wherever you want. Our classroom will be open. I know at least one group wanted to meet face-to-face. You all are welcome to use the classroom if that's a good space for you. You also could meet somewhere in the library or in the spine, at a coffee shop. You can meet online, you can meet some people face-to-face and then FaceTime another person in, or use Google Meet. However you prefer to meet is how it's going to work best. So you'll make sure before you meet with your group on Monday, preferably, that you use this blue share button and that you are sharing your document with people who are in your group. And you have to make sure that they are editors. For example, my colleague Sharon is studying to teach this class, and so she's following along with us. She's an editor who can make changes to the class if she wanted to. Make sure you give everyone editing privileges so that they can fully comment their suggestions to you. I've also included some media. This week there's a textbook chapter on reflection. This is an important chapter as you're thinking about situating yourself in your narrative. You have the power of reflecting on an experience in this assignment. So this is an important chapter to read this week. I've also included some suggestions on how to write a knockout essay. I can give you, if you're one of those people who's struggling with just how to get the ball rolling, there's some good ideas in this blog post that might help you move your draft forward. I've also included the abstract and keyword guides from the APA. I would like you in this assignment to include a short abstract and list of keywords. In professional writing, this is how someone decides if they want to read what you've written. So coming up with keywords can help keep you focused. It also helps people to find your work. So read this short 2-page handout on abstract and keywords and be prepared to add these to your draft. So I've offered a set of questions here that can help you move your peer review forward. Really, your response, your natural organic response to the writing is what's going to help people move their drafts forward. So please provide that to your peers. These sets of questions might be what help you move your draft forward, but then again, you might have other things that are more important to you in your draft. Make sure you communicate your needs to your readers so that they know what's important to you. I look forward to hearing from all of you and reading your draft soon. Take care and feel free to tag me in any questions that come up. I will be happy to meet with you to talk about things. I do have some gaps in time, so I have some meeting availability throughout the week if that's something that is important to you this week. All right, take care, everyone.